We've designed a brand new LUT pack specifically crafted for the DJI Osmo Action 4, and it's going to transform all of your footage and make it look much more cinematic. This pack contains a huge amount of LUTs, 20 LUTs in total, and they're so easy to use. All you do is simply drag and drop them on top of your footage, and it's as easy as that. They work with all programs including Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and LumaFusion. So let me show you how they work. I filmed these shots in the beautiful city of Porto on the Action 4 in 10-bit. And I think the footage coming out of the Action 4 looks absolutely incredible. It really does. But I want the footage to look much more cinematic. So check out these LUTs. Now, you may know we already have a GoPro and Action LUT pack, but this one has been specifically designed for the Action 4. Now, it works better if you film in 10-bit, but you know what? It also looks fantastic on the standard picture profile as well. We've designed a huge amount of LUTs. There's over 20 in total, and I'm probably not going to get enough time to show you all of them right now, but they're so easy to apply. They are drag and drop. But now I'm going to demonstrate how you can apply these in your favorite program. So let's jump into Premiere Pro first. In Premiere Pro, once you've downloaded the LUT pack from the editorskeys.com website, select your clip and navigate to the Lumetri color panel. Then go to the Creative tab. Under Look, select Browse. Locate the LUT pack and choose the LUT you want to use. And it's really as simple as that. You also have the intensity slider just below in case you want to lower or increase the strength of the LUT. Now play around with this and find a good point of where you want the shot to be. Now for Final Cut Pro. Using Final Cut Pro, simply go to the effect, Use Custom LUT. Now drag this onto any clip. Next, go to the inspector, go to LUT, and then go to the bottom of this drop-down list and click Choose Custom LUT to install them. And remember, you can select the whole pack. If the effect looks too strong, simply drag the mix slider to get your perfect look. So the link is in the description below, and let us know in the comment section if you're using these LUTs already and what you think of them, or if you're thinking of buying them and you've got some questions for us. Also leave your questions there because we do get back to every single question asked. Thanks for watching, and make sure to see our other videos about the Action 4 up here, and I'll see you in that video.